guys, and today we will be testing Windows XP, which people think was one of the best operating systems they had ever seen and tried. So let's see if XP, even at this time, is really the most epic operating system the world has seen. So let's boot it up. From the boot screen, we can see that it follows a rule of simplicity, and that it doesn't want to be overcrowded and wants to be very easy to use. So let's really see if it is to the point and easy to use. I previously reviewed Windows 2000 Professional, and let's see how many similarities there are between the two operating systems. There we go. Straight away we see two different boot sounds. You can see that I have already been through this operating system before. As you can see, I've customized it a little bit, but I haven't messed around a bit more than you have. So let's start straight away. So we'll be completing a series of 4 tasks, and let's start. And these tasks will check whether the system is really easy to use. So our first task will be to figure out the time and date. As you can see at the bottom right corner, the time is 9:40. And what is the date? The date is the 8th of April 2014. Our next task is to write, open and save a text document. One second, I muddled that up a little bit. To write, save and open a text document. So let's start by clicking the start button. As you can see from Windows Me, we have this sort of double column start bar, which is very different. Oh my god, okay, I did not mean to do that. It's very different to what we saw in Windows Me, and looks much more simplistic, and overall the look is better. Of course you can always change the theme by going to personalize, but that's part of another task. So let's find a text document thing. We're not going to use the shortcut notepad because that would be a little bit cheeky. Accessories and notepad. There we go. Let's write a little text document. I'm writing a thing. No, not a thing. I'm writing a sentence. I spelled that wrong. Sentence in Windows XP. Ta-da! There we go. So, oh no, I did not mean that. Okay. Oops. So this is gonna be our text document. Untitled. Whoa. Okay. One thing I really want. So also I was like, oops, I did not mean to do that. No. Excuse me. Stop. Save. Now, one thing which we see in Windows 8.1 or even Windows 7 is that it takes the first line of the text and puts it into a name, so that you don't have to do that extra step of naming it. Also, you see this .txt, which we also saw in Windows 2000 Professional. And it really annoys me that really has to be at the back of it when it's already written in save as type. That's a bit weird. So let's name it titled. Save. Close this. Now we have to try to find where it has saved. I've not saved it to desktop this time because I just want to challenge myself. So that was very easy and titled. And there we go. So that's our second task completed. Our third task is to calculate a problem. So let's find the calculator. Accessories. Calc. Just like any other operating system of Windows, calculator is located under accessories. I mean modern operating systems by Windows or Microsoft. Is located under accessories. Of course, in Windows 8.1 and Windows 8, it's in the quick launch bar, or in the charms bar, as many people call it. So calculator. Let's do a simple calculation. 9 times 9, or 9 squared. 81. It's got it correct. The reason why I really check what the answer is because I once tried an operating system by Linux and it actually gave the wrong answer, and that was very weird. Let's now clear the recycling bin. Oh, this is very weird. Even though I deleted the text document. Oh no, sorry, I made a mistake. So let's try to find the text document again and delete it. Yes. Deleting took a little bit of time. There we go. The little sort of chunk in the recycling bin really helps to see if there is something in it. One thing which I find really weird, I think so, is when I saw the file in my document, it was only 1 kilobyte and it's grown 4 times larger by being in the recycling bin. This is weird. Let's try to put it back and restore the file. Let's see what happens now. 1 kilo. What? What is happening? Look, that is what I call weird. Let's delete. Yes. And it has grown in size. So I guess this is maybe a bug in Windows 8. I mean, not Windows 8, Windows XP. But you never know. I really hate when it says, "Are you sure?" Because that is weird. If I've deleted it, I am sure. And because it takes 2 steps already to delete a file, I would definitely be sure. I don't get why they have to put this. So our 4th step would be to explore the operating system. Now as you can see, I was trying to click on it again and again, and we just do this. This should not really happen. They should fix that. But of course, Windows XP is not getting any new updates. But, ooh, okay, allows me a little bit of room. There you go. Accessories. Let's try some of the games that it has to offer. Minesweeper, which is very classic. For some reason, it doesn't allow you to make it any larger, which is very weird. Because on a big screen like this, it makes it very difficult. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm using none of my math skills to actually do this, but I'm just, ooh. That was pretty cool, I guess, a game of Minesweeper. So let's close it. Now one thing which I saw in many XP computers is that they have 3 icons over here. Same in Windows 2000 Professional. But for some reason I don't really see that over here. Let's try to add some. Let's try to put Notepad out. Try to put it over here. Oh, it doesn't like it. Let's just try to pin it. Not to the start menu, but to the taskbar. Why does it allow me to do that? What, can I just drag and drop it? Well, that's what it would allow me to do that in Windows 8. Of course, it wouldn't allow me to get out of this frame because this is a virtual machine, but well, that's weird. But I can pin it to the start menu. I don't want to. Notepad as a program? No. It can't be because that would be very weird. The stop. See, you can see again. It grows in size for some reason. It's very weird, but that's what it does. Well, there's not really much to actually see in Windows XP. However, the new Internet Explorer. Let's all try out. For some reason, I can't really search the internet. It is because I'm not even connected to it. One thing which I hate about is, if you can see in Windows 8.1, you got this little hidden icon button. But over here, you got none of it. So you have to go all the way into the My Computer settings. And because there is no search bar over here, it makes it very difficult to find stuff too. So yes, this is the My Computer over here. It looks very identical to the new My Computer we see in the modern, like Windows 8.1. However, there were many differences, such as this. This entire bar, well, almost entire bar, has been consumed into this sort of new I don't know why I'm saying sort of so much, but it's new design. Well, I really like the new design, and this sort of looks a bit shabby to me even. And also the text-based sort of navigating, so shared document, shared video. I really don't like the backslash because it makes it very complicated to see what you're doing. Also, the little Windows logo they had, they've removed that. That's a bit of a shame. Run. Let's try to run Paint. Oh. The older run cannot actually run a direct application. That's very weird. Let's try to run this. Oh, there we go. So it wants a specific code for everything to launch. What would be the code for Paint? Let's try to open CMD. Oh, there we go. CMD works easy, just as easy as it's opening anything else. However, Paint will not work. One thing which I find really weird, I guess, is, for example, if you open my computer, the sort of lunar theme of it does not actually go into the CMD. It's sort of this classic form which has been sort of narrowed down because like buttons have been made very small. I don't get what's the point of it, but there you go. Also, which I find funny is that you can't really get these to go around a little bit. Like if I want this to go there, it just stays in one fixed place. Some minor sort of details if we look at, for example, this shows me that the language I'm in is English, United Kingdom. However, even though this is the same language, it only says N, like 2 letters of it, but 3 letters over here. Of course, 3 letters gives you more of a hint, and if you really can't pick it out, you have to go on it. But this would give me a very easy hint. Also, if you see on the new version of Windows 8.1, we see that there's like a key to actually tell you to change the input methods. However, this is pretty useless because it only tells you your languages and which one you want to select. So I guess this is the end of our tour of Windows XP, and we shall shut it down. Again, what I find annoying is it's sort of a way of saying, are you sure you want to shut down? And it's always like, I am definitely sure, but it sort of still does it. So bye guys, I'll be making another review. And don't forget to check my review out on Windows 2000 Professional. I will also show a way of installing Windows XP on VirtualBox so that you guys can also do this. If you guys have a problem with the guest sort of things, there's a very easy way of doing this to install guest editions right from here. So bye guys, I'll be shutting Windows XP down. Bye.